We are doing model auxiliary and we are concentrating on the use of can, could and may, might, and the difference between can, could and may, might. Now, in my previous slide, we have discussed the use of use or difference between can and may, and then I told you there that can is more informal whereas may is used in a more formal way. Now, coming to the second use, may is very often wrongly used by us instead of should or must, especially the officials. How may is very often wrongly used where they should have used should or must, there may is being used. Like the Tehsildar may proceed to the village and inquire into the complaint against the revenue inspector. So, otherwise, what it should have been? Tehsildar should proceed. Okay, should, that is, he has been ordered to the village and inquire into the complaint. So that this minute difference you also have to identify, and remember that may is correct when it is acceding to a request. How? I hope the I hope the collector will be good enough to permit me to go on my annual leave in December. Fine. The deputy collector. I hope the collector will be good enough to permit me to uh, go on my annual leave in December. The deputy collector may go on leave in December. So, this is how when you want to use for a request sense, then you use may. Fine. Now, again, uh, I have come up with a paragraph for you. Correct the following paragraphs wherever it is necessary. First, let us have the look. Let us have a read. Let us read the following paragraph first. Mr. S.Y. Batliwala, Superintendent of Police, is transferred from his present post at Komut to Bakranagar. He could take a week's time to report at Bakranagar. After he reaches Bakranagar, he may take over at once from the present incumbent, Mr. Ali Beg, who may retire after he hands over charge to Mr. Batliwala. Mr. Batliwala may make a tour of the district before 8th June and can submit a report so as to reach me before 29th March. Now, let us rewrite the sentence by correcting the model. See again. Mr. S.Y. Batliwala, Superintendent of Police, is transferred from his present post at Kumut to Bakranagar. Now, could, not could here, but can. He can, because it is here is. Okay, here it is. So he can take a week's time to report at Bakranagar. After he reaches, he may take over at once from the present incumbent, who may retire. Then again, for here, just wait, he may take over, so he can take over at once from the present incumbent, okay, who can retire, okay, not may, here again can. So, in place of could, here it is can, then here can take over, and Then again, who can retire, not may. It is not possibility here. Who can retire after he hands over the charge. Then Mr. Batliwala can make a tour, not may, can. So this is how, this is the minute detail, the difference between can, could and may, might. And you just feel the difference in both the uses. Now, may is often wrongly used for can, especially when especially when the speaker wishes to suggest a course of action or suggest what can happen. See again, may is often wrongly used for can when the speaker wishes to suggest a course of action, like the gardener has not come to work, the sweeper may water the plants. Not here may, not possibility. The gardener has not come to work, and the sweeper can water the plants. Here it is suggestion. Here it is suggestion. Fill in the blanks. Now the gardener has not come to work, the sweeper can water the plants. So in order to show the suggestion, you can use can. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of may or can in the following sentences. As long as, now I have come up with the exercise for you all. As long as their houses are clean, okay, some women dash not care whether their streets are clean or not. See again. As long as their houses are, as long as their houses are clean, some women not care whether their streets are clean or not. So this is one more. After they have cleaned, after they have cleaned their houses, they dash or dash put their rubbish into the dustbin. Rubbish should be put into the dustbin so that dash moved easily by the dustman every day. You dash not think. So let us take the first answer. As long as their houses are clean, some women may not care. As long as their houses are clean, some women could not care whether their streets are clean or not. Then, after they have cleaned their houses, they may or may not. Okay, after they have cleaned their houses, they may or may not put their rubbish into the dustbin. Rubbish should be put into the dustbin so that it can be removed easily. Then coming to D, you may not think so, but dirty streets can cause epidemic. With a little effort, your neighbors and you can keep your street clean. So here I have kept the answers for you all. Now, number 5, again study these sentences. I suggest we take the night bus to Rohtak. Perhaps it is not as comfortable as the train, but it is faster. I suggest we have an early dinner and take a taxi to the bus terminus at 7:30. If we get there early, we have a chance of getting seats on the bus. If you don't get, now let us take each sentence one by one. And what is the now we have to last perhaps we shall have to travel first class, but we must take the journey at any cost. Now rewrite the sentence using may in BDF. Okay, so let us take B. Perhaps it is not as comfortable as the train, but it is faster. So how it will be like this? It may not be as comfortable as the train, but it is faster. I repeat, perhaps it is not as comfortable. So when we are rewriting it using may, we are rewriting it using may. So how you will write it? Perhaps uh, it may not be. We will remove perhaps. It may not be as comfortable. Then D. If we get there early, we have a chance of getting seats on the bus. So if we get there early, we may have a chance here. We may have a chance of getting seats. Then F. Perhaps we shall have to travel first class, but we must take the journey at any cost. Then it is an F. It is perhaps we might have to travel first class, but we must take the journey at any cost. Then coming to A. I suggest we take the night bus to the Rohtak. So we could take the night bus to Rohtak. Okay, we could take the night bus to the Rohtak. Then C, I suggest we have an early dinner. I suggest we have an early dinner. So in that case, we will write we could have an early dinner and take a taxi. Then E, if you don't get tickets, I suggest we go by train. So E, if you do not get tickets, we could go by train. So this is how we use it. Then I have written the answers for you here. Then uses D. May and might are not generally used in the interrogative to express possibility. Phrases such as do you think will be followed by future tense or is he likely or infinitive are used. Are we likely to get the first prize in the state lottery? I repeat, may and might are not generally used in the interrogative. Express possibility. In fact, such phrases, do you think or is he likely, they are used when we are using, we want to show the possibility in, uh, in the interrogative sentences. So, are we likely to get the first prize in the state lottery this time? Do you think we will get, or is Bobby Fischer likely to win the chess title? Do you think Bobby Fischer will win the chess title? So, this is how we, when we want to express possibility in interrogative sentences, then we will be using like this by using do you think or is he likely. Now, you can, do you think he will come by the night? He may, if he gets sleeper berth on it, or he may come by the morning express as arranged. Is your letter likely to have reached him in time for him to change his booking? Very likely. I posted it before 10 o'clock, but I could have sent him a telegram. Shall I go to the station? I can bring him here in my car. These are the use of can could. Do you think? Is it likely? Okay. Shall I go to the station? I can bring him here in my car. That is very nice of you. There aren't many taxis in town. Might I come with you? So, this is how. Then, again, I have come up with an exercise for you all. Use may or might as appropriately as we can. You have read in the newspaper of the young American who has set up a world record for staying in a confined space with a number of the world's most poisonous snakes. So you may have read. Okay? You may have read. You may have read. Do you think another young man, either from the US or elsewhere, may try? See, if someone did is here, so he might survive the bizarre experience or he might die because it is past tense. He might survive the bizarre experience or he might die. D. He dash may not be able to remain absolutely still as the snakes crawl all over him. So, present tense, he may not. A slight movement on his part may startle the reptiles. May. It is rumored that the police may prevent such a youth from going ahead with the dangerous experiment. Then G. On the other hand, they dash decide not to interfere, but dash decide provide him with a doctor and a plenty of antivenom serum. On the other hand, they may decide or not to interfere, but may provide him. So these are the use of may and might. Then these are the answers. Now let us come to our pronunciation. Diphthong, okay, like other diphthongs, is more open than the corresponding sound in the Indian language. Practice these words till your diphthong, this sound is correct. Away, go away, stay, are you staying, change, change here for the Bombay. So here away, more open, stay or change. So like may, late, away, play.